Covering thousands of acres across 7 counties made it difficult for Indiana farmers Brad and Todd Stevenson to not only manage iron, but the critical information their machines were generating. To help alleviate the problem, the brothers invested in a management solution that connects the field to the office.
The reason why we implemented Connected Farm when we switched to AGCO, we used the Trimble technology. We thought it would benefit us and help us in our control systems. We had a lot of data coming in. Every evening we'd have to get the zip drives and bring them into the office. And well, when you're running multiple pieces of equipment, applying in multiple locations, we can use up quite a bit of product in a short period of time. And if controllers are getting off calibration, we wouldn't know that for 3 or 4 days. We're in 7 counties currently. We can have somebody here in Hancock County, which is our home county, or 3 counties away, and the information is still going into the office just as quick as it's being collected.
So Office Sync, we use it to get data quicker, to be able to scrub it a lot quicker. If anybody works in data, they know that you got to scrub it, make sure it's right and accurate. It helps us make quicker decisions on seeding, fertilizer, nitrogen, yield, especially yield coming in to make another prescription map for fall fertilizer. It makes us do that decision making a whole lot quicker.
We can do a straight prescription, standard prescription that we would use for like nitrogen or seeding. We can send it to the operator right then. Also, if we need to change a prescription on a farm, we decide to use a different hybrid and we want to lower the population and it's already on a prescription, or if we want to raise the population, or if we want to raise the nitrogen rates, we can just send that straight to the operator, kind of like a job file of a new prescription. So that's beneficial also. For us, I like being able to track the amount of product that's going on the field back to the office. So we have office personnel that can give us updates on a timely basis, being able to watch our inventory, being able to check calibrations more accurately and more on time.
But Office Sync was just the first step toward making their operation as efficient as possible. They also wanted to be able to share data between machines.
I like the vehicle sync part for efficiency-wise, being able to run 2 planters, 2 ammonia bars, whatever it is that we're doing in the same fields if we need to. It gives us advantage like in planting. If a rain's coming up and we got a couple hundred acres worked and we're wanting to try to get that done before the rain, we can jump 2 planters in the same field and get it done. If one planter goes into a field and plants the inrows first, we'd like to do that, kind of do our boundaries of the field. So the second planter pulls into the field. When that planter is going across the inrows, it'll automatically shut off because it's synced up with the vehicle number 1, I'm going to call it. So that's a benefit. So we're not overlapping, we're not wasting seed, we're not wasting fertilizer. We run road starter on our planters also. And so for us being spread out like that, that's a big benefit. Then we're not rained out 4 counties away, if we're trying to finish something up.
I like the vehicle sync. That makes us more efficient. The data transfer, getting that data back to the desktop quicker, so you make quicker decisions. It just makes the whole operation more efficient.
You can kind of monitor operators also. If you have a lead operator with a not so much experienced operator, they can kind of watch the other operator, make sure they're applying on the right amount, and watch their efficiency and see if they're getting across the same amount of acres as the lead operator is. So that's a nice feature also.
The farm has also implemented FarmWorks software, which is a key piece of Connected Farm.
So the data comes into FarmWorks, and then we print out the data, planting reports, fertilizer reports, nitrogen use reports. And then we can use those reports to track inventory. We do everything by field location, so dollars and cents wise, we track it to the field. So that allows us to do that also with the reports. We come out with 1% variance on fertilizer and nitrogen. And it's not just one thing that allows us to get to that 1%, but the tracking of and the Connected Farm sending information back to the office is a key component of all that. That's huge dollars in an operation for us. That's what we live and breathe off of, is our data. That's what makes our operation more efficient, makes us strive, makes us more profitable. We've hired a CFO full-time because there's just so much data. We got 3 people in the office. That's all they do is process data and give those reports back to us in operations. It just helps us manage our business. Anything we can use to help manage our business, that's what we want to do.
As their farm operation has grown, so have the challenges of managing the assets spread across many miles. Solutions like Connected Farm can be priceless, especially during the busiest times of the year.